I used to wonder if he would ever regret losing me, if one day he looked back and realized he let go of someone who would have given him the world. I thought about it often, quietly, in the shower, on walks, in the stillness of the night when I couldn't sleep. But eventually I stopped wondering, not because I got answers, but because I gave myself something better, closure without his permission. The truth is, the real glow up isn't loud. It's not about making him watch. It's about not needing him to. Regret finds them on its own. When you no longer reach out, when your energy is no longer available, when the version of you he once knew is long gone. And all that's left is the woman you became after the heartbreak. I didn't become better to make him feel worse. I became better to finally feel like me again. So if you're still hoping he regrets it, it's okay. But don't stay stuck there. Instead, become the kind of woman that glows with so much peace that his regret becomes irrelevant. Because by the time he realizes what he lost, you'll be too in love with your new life to even care. If this entry spoke to your heart, take a breath and remember, you never have to chase what's meant for you. And the version of you that's healing right now, she's becoming someone even you will be proud of. Thank you for listening to Faceless Diaries. Come back when it's quiet and your heart needs a soft place to land.